Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I found one more Monster Jam truck I wanted. It's from Mix 7, as you can see from the back of the packaging, and I found it at one of my local Targets, and yeah, so I bought this one truck with some birthday money I had, and here it is. It is the Inverse Trucks Monster Mutt Dalmatian. So this is my second Inverse truck. Very cool. I like the detail on this one. And here are the trucks on the back. The orange Gravedigger, Nitro Neon's Megalodon, horsepower. If I saw that, I would have gotten that, but they didn't have that, unfortunately. Alien Invasion. I don't really care much about that because it's a variant. Earthshaker is also a variant. I don't really care about those two right now. So yeah. The S10 Avenger. That's also another new one. And the Nitro Neon's Max D, the orange version. I did see these four, but but did I get them? You'll just have to find out later. For the future of my channel, maybe I'm asking for them for Christmas. Who knows? And the other truck is the Train Truck Zombie. They did not have that, unfortunately. Yeah, it sucks. But hey, at least I found this, because this is one I really wanted. So yeah, enough talk, let's get this truck unboxed. So, here's the truck, here's the figure, and here's the poster. We'll check this out real quick. Ooh. Alright, so the special truck on this poster is Earthshaker, and of course it also confirms which trucks are going to be in Mix 8. So we have Gravedigger Inverse, Son of a Digger Nitro Neon, Overcast Del Toro Loco, Radical Rescue. I don't know if I want that one or not. I'll think more about it when it comes out. Whiplash, aka W. Blue Thunder, debating on that one. Cyclops, I definitely want. Sparkle Smash, I want, and definitely the Train Trucks Dragon. So, yeah, Mix 8 does look pretty cool. Again, I'm just debating on Radical Rescue and Blue Thunder, because they're variants. But the other ones look interesting to me, so yeah, so there's that. There's the poster. So here is the figurine. Probably representing Candice Jolly or Cynthia Gautier. And here is the beautiful Inverse Monster Mutt Dalmatian. So it's got white ears and a white tail. That's pretty cool. And I'm sure everybody knows that all the new Spin Master Monster Jam trucks have the closed frame now. It's got red tires. That's pretty cool. The whole dog styled body is black with white spots, and the teeth are 3D as usual. Kinda the teeth kind of look scary on this one. That's pretty cool. It's got a blue collar with red studs. That's pretty awesome. You got the Dalmatian tag. Dalmatian on the side. Says Monster Jam and Monster Mutt. It's got white eyebrows. And then on the front, it's got, I don't know if you can see that, white whiskers. They kept the tongue red because I don't know how you would invert the color of a dog's tongue. It'd be interesting if they could have done like a purple tongue on the Dalmatian, you know. That would be kind of interesting, but it's fine. I think it's cool the way it is. So yeah, yeah. So there's that. Overall, a really cool truck. Definitely recommend picking it up if you see it, because all the inverse trucks look cool. So yeah. So that was the review of the Spin Master Monster Jam Monster Mutt Dalmatian inverse truck. This will not make its Sign Up Series debut until Sign Up Series 17, since I already have like a huge roster of trucks. And yeah, so Sign Up Series 17 is when this truck will make its debut. Because first I want to get Sign Up Series 16 out of the way. So yeah. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys next time.